the minimum experience required to work as an affiliate marketer. For any career in the world, it is required to have prior knowledge or previous education and a minimum previous work experience to be able to develop the activity. In the case of affiliate marketing, you do not need to be an expert in the area to start generating income with it. When you do affiliate marketing, you can do it while you learn. As you learn, you improve, but you do not need to have a previous learning process to run it then. Many strategies are used by people to do affiliate marketing online to be successful. You can choose the strategy that you like the most or the one that best suits your way of working and it opts working best for you. Some say that affiliate marketing is based on trial and error. For example, if you are a blogger or some content creator and already have some time working in the area, you can benefit more easily by associating yourself with a company as an affiliate marketer. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.